last day in Shillong, and after breakfast we'll be checking out and going to Guwahati. In between we'll see Lithium Canyon something. We're not going to Jawai just because it's famous for Krangsuri, but there's no water as such for the fall to be at its full. जब वो ज़्यादा beautiful दिखता है उतना तो पानी ही नहीं है, so no point going इतना far. So we are just relaxing and we'll go to Guwahati. I guess by 3 or 3:30 we're gonna check in. So yes, let's get started. इस टाइम तक वैसे हम भीड़ कम हो जाती है. We are bidding goodbye to this beautiful property. The bags and all are also packed. So much of luggage we have got. The first stop is Wards Lake. वो कहते हैं बहुत ही pretty है क्योंकि जिस टाइम पे हम लोग आए हैं we could see cherry blossom trees and these trees are at its full bloom. चलो check out करते हैं. So as we have ditched Jawai and Krangsuri, we thought we'll come to Wards Lake, which is a famous place in Shillong. This looks pretty. Boating and all happens, and cherry blossom trees, if you could see. This is so beautiful. So all these trees still need to bloom. अभी ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है. But it looks beautiful. So you can see how beautiful it looks. कहते हैं नवंबर के एंड में आता है, मतलब they are at its full bloom, the cherry blossom trees, but here still they're looking so pretty. You can opt for boating also here. They have an option. And you can opt for such activities like get yourself photographed in Khasi traditional dresses. So we are leaving this place just because हो गया जितना घूम सकते थे. वो थोड़ा पिकनिक टाइप का माहौल है इधर. Like with family and all, you can come relax a bit. ठीक है, nice. We spent good 20-25 minutes here and now we'll leave and we'll be going to some point, Lithium Canyon point. Let's see what's that. हम लोग स्केड्यूल टाइम से वैसे ही लेट चल रहे थे और यहाँ पे लग चुका है जैम. जैम से निकलते निकलते आधा घंटा लग गया हम लोगों को. Well, we are not going to Lithium Canyon. We are directly heading to Guwahati because we want to enjoy the property. Yes, we are here to have famous pineapple. Guwahati में अच्छा मिलता है. So we have stopped near a local vendor. You can see. You know what this is? This is body scrub. हल्दी है.
ये पीस के
सब्जी बना देगा.
सब्जी में
दूध के साथ. This is so yum.
सप्पा में एक
ये मिर्ची का नाम क्या बताया? जलोखा मिर्ची का नाम क्या है? जलोकिया। गुड़ जलोकिया। सबसे स्पाइसीस्ट जो चिली है उसके अचार हैं। वी गेटिंग इट पैक्ड। लेट्स सी हाउ इट टेस्ट्स। दिस व्लॉग हैज टर्न्ड इनटू सम फूड व्लॉग क्योंकि सुबह से सिर्फ खा रहे हैं। Now here we have come to Jiva, whatever it is pronounced. Jiva Veg करके रेस्टोरेंट है, शिलोंग एंड गुवाहाटी के बीच में आता है। Seems promising बाहर से, इतना तो बोल नहीं सकती promising and all, but हाँ इसके रिव्यूज़ अच्छे हैं। The washrooms are also clean. Enjoy the food. This will go in the vlog. No. पता तो सही मोटू enjoyed the food or not? Food was okay, but again Indian and Chinese. We are tired of having Indian and Chinese. तो थोड़ा different cuisine में होना चाहिए. But the food was good. We have entered Guwahati and from here we'll directly go to our hotel and do the check-in. So we have entered here at Taj, Vivanta Taj, and our room number is 410. Oh, I'm already getting the good vibe here. So this is a lovely room and the bathroom. Pretty good. I'll give you a little room tour. So here's a sitting where you can enjoy your tea, coffee, whatever. This is your working desk out here. Then you have your television. Then these are the lamps, side lamps, your luggage area, the wardrobe with the ironing table and iron. The safe is there. What's this? Is this open? Oh yes. So your mini fridge and your coffee tea making stuff. The room where I entered. Hi, this is me. If you could see. So this is WC area, then this is wash basin, this is a lovely tub where one can enjoy, relax, whatever. And this room is pretty decent, which is good. Let's see what view we have got. Okay, this is the city view. Oh, nice. We are at the 4th floor. This is the pool area of Taj. And we're gonna dip in. शाम का टाइम हो चुका है एंड वी आर ऑल रेडी. आई एम गोइंग डाउन स्टेयर्स टू मीट एन ओल्ड फ्रेंड. ये मेरे MBA के टाइम से फ्रेंड है. लेट्स मीट हिम. See whom I met today, Deboshi. Hi. So he was my classmate since Amity days, like in MBA 2008-2010. And पता नहीं MBA करके बंदा कहाँ पहुँच गया. Additional SPs हैं अब ये. Deboshi, thank you for helping us plan this trip of Meghalaya. So we are here having a cup of coffee जो अभी तक आया नहीं है, अभी आने वाला है. And super excited to meet him after like what, good 10 years. 10 years. So finally we are in Guwahati's local market having street food, trying street food and everything. Finally momos. Thank you for everything, for the great hospitality. Thank you so much. Thank you for the tea.
You are all welcome. Once again.
Okay. So after having local food and everything, we are back in our hotel and everybody's sleeping. And I should sleep too because tomorrow we have a flight back home. So it will be first Delhi and then from Delhi to Jaipur, as we did not get any direct flight from Guwahati to Jaipur. So yeah, good night as of now. See you in the morning. So finally the bags and everything are ready. Good morning guys. और आज है checkout from Guwahati. Breakfast के बाद we'll be heading towards airport. वहाँ से दिल्ली से Jaipur. Let's see what's there in the breakfast menu. I quite like the buffet menu of good hotels, you know. मतलब excitement रहती है कि there are so many choices, क्या लेना है क्या नहीं लेना है. अब breakfast अच्छा होता है तो पूरा दिन सही जाता है. This is proper Ashmi's thali. Aloo pitika, sheera, doi from the land of Assam. Nice. Favorite part of the meal. मेरे फ़ोन है ना तेरे पास दोनों. Now we'll do the checkout formalities and leave for the airport. So bye bye to Guwahati. The trip comes to an end. Finally at the airport of Guwahati. सारी जगह से VIP आने वाला है.
हाँ, ये तो इसलिए
किस क्या
ये मीटिंग है गुवाहाटी में, टच विवांडा में, रेडिसन ब्लू में, 5 स्टार दोनों होटल में मीटिंग.
विवांता और उसमें
हाँ,
रेडिसन में. ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा रश मिल गया हम लोगों को इधर एयरपोर्ट पे. This is a small airport. So finally this trip comes to an end. Meet you in another vlog with another destination. Bye bye. Meanwhile, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.